This is the second video for Mobile App Icon Design Simplified. In this tutorial, we will learn the simple way to resize app icons using Pick Resize. In the first video, you learned how to create app icons for Android App Inventor projects using PowerPoint. You then practiced creating app icons and created one for your latest project. Today we're going to learn how to resize a large app icon image using PickResize.com. And once we've done that, we're going to learn how to upload the new app icon to App Inventor. The activities today, once you've seen the tutorial, locate your final app icon from the previous tutorial like I've done. Resize your app icon using PickResize.com, resizing it to 48 by 48 pixels as required for App Inventor. In your next activity, you're going to go ahead and upload the new app icon to App Inventor and build your project and install it on your device. Once you've completed that step, you'll be able to tap on the icon and it will launch your app when you run it. Let's get on with the tutorial. First of all, you're going to go to the website called PickResize.com, as you can see up here. And notice right here, it lets you pick an image from your computer, or much like I showed you within our Windows tutorial, you can grab something from File Manager, like the auto icon I created in the video, and I can drag and drop it. Notice it turned green right here in this browse bar. And so now my picture has been uploaded to PickResize.com. The next thing you do is click on the Continue button. Alright, within Pick Resize, the image has been loaded. You can see it here. And the next thing we need to do is to scroll down to Part 2. Pick Resize likes to show you ads. And we want to actually use a custom size. According to the App Inventor guidelines, our icon is going to need to be 48 pixels wide by 48 pixels tall. Good thing we have a square image to work with. We don't need any special effects. We do need to save it as a PNG, which it already starts as. And leaving it with PNG gives us our transparency around our icon, so we need to stick with that. You click I'm done, resize my picture, and on the next screen, you get a message that your image was successfully resized off to the right here. And now we want to save it to disk. So I'm going to click on the Save It to Disk icon. And it has moved it down to this location. And I'm going to show where it's sitting. It's in my Downloads folder. Today I'm going to go ahead and just grab it, drop it into my project folder. And now I've got a resized icon. It's a small one sitting in my folder. In our next step, we're going to use App Inventor to receive our file and get the icon. So here's my App Inventor project. And I'm going to stick with the same icon because it's just been my example. And off to the right of screen 1, and only on screen 1 of your project, you'll find a field called Icon. Simply click within here, upload file, choose file, go back to your project folder, which is where I have saved these, and I'm going to grab my resized auto icon. Click Open. It's now selected the file. I'm going to click OK. And the file's been uploaded and selected for my project. Now, as you know, we have to build our project to generate a final version that incorporates the icon. That step would be Build and select the first option, and then download it to your device. When you're done downloading it to your device, it's going to be existing on your device, much as you see in my PowerPoint slide here. And when you tap on it, it'll launch your app. Thanks for watching. I hope you found this tutorial useful. Be sure to resize your icon to 48 by 48 before you upload it to App Inventor. Have a great day. Bye.